you doing? You doing good? Alright, we're right here. Oh my god.
Este va rico.
You like that? Huh?
Oh my god.
You like it, don't you? Hmm? Yeah, I know you do.
Feo ese niño. Y hablando del otro. Ay, qué bonito se ríe.
Oh, what you got there?
That's the present that I got from Edward. Yeah, you put the food, it goes all the way down, and then the birds will come, land, and they go pew 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 pew, and they will eat. And then when the food finished, then you fill it up again. You hang it up from a tree, and we're thinking of putting like a light through here, so at night the aliens can see the light travel in the sky.
Al.
Yeah, that's a good one. It's built of one main piece of wood, oak. So it's very strong.
And over here, where it was Daniela, who's here.
What are you got in your hand?
Just
In your mano? Right there.
This stamps like okay, like this is M for my name, like my name with an M.
Yeah.
And then this one is like I guess I remember this the phone call or the telephone. And here's for to make an appointment to go to the doctor. So it's basically like a sticker. And this is like to remember who I am, my birthday. So that's about it, and we're gonna collect them all. They'll come in different shapes and different pictures. So that's how everything
¿A
goes.
qué hora iba a estar la pasta? ¿Dijo que me llegan a las 7:20 o a las
8.
8:20?
8.